Hey, what's up, guys? My name's Coach Paulie, former professional boxer and now boxing coach. I train professionals, also train the average Joe that just wants to get in shape and learn how to box. All right, I came up with that 28-day wall brawl training camp program where I teach you boxing fundamentals along with giving you 25 to 30-minute workouts that I put my professional boxers and my amateur boxers through. All right, so we do the program on my product that I came up with called the Wall Brawl. All right, it's 2 attachments, one for the head, one for the body. So this would be the head shots. All you do is screw it into a stud, the plate into a stud, and then you screw the foam into the wall. Okay, it comes with the head and the body shots. All right, so what I do is I give you one video for the boxing technique fundamentals. So it's I teach you how to stand, how to punch, jab, cross, hook, uppercuts, and body shots, how to throw real technically sound, along with head movement, defense, and footwork. All right, that comes with the technical video. And then also I give you 28-day, 30-minute workouts where, you know, I'm putting you through combos, putting you through rounds on the wall brawl, along with calisthenics, burpees, push-ups. All right, all stuff you can do from the comfort of your own home. All right, so right now I'm just gonna do a quick little, quick little combo on the wall brawl, show you what, give you a quick idea what, how it holds up. All right, so check it out. You can work your inside game close. Throw short punches, combos. You can work mid-range. You can also work far long outside boxing. Get full extension on your punches. All right, so yeah, 28-day wall brawl training camp program is available on my website, paulieboxing.com. There's a link right there. The link's in the bio. And yeah. If you guys have any questions, go to shoot a comment.